Hey guys, Cece back with another video, and today's video is going to be a fun one because I thought we would do a review and wear test on the brand new foundation, the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. Now, if this is your first time coming to this channel and seeing my face, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and also click the little notification bell so you can be notified of all of my future videos. Once you do that, make sure you hashtag notification gang down below in the comments. I would love for you all to join the notification gang so I can shout you out. I like to choose people from the comments who hashtag that notification gang to shout out in my future videos. So today's shout out goes to Key Marie. Thank you so much for being a part of the hashtag notification gang. And if you want a shout out, go ahead and comment down below. So like I said, today's video is going to be a foundation review. Again, the Makeup Revolution brand new liquid foundation. I believe this is their first and only liquid foundation that they have in their line. Now, you guys know, if you've been watching me, that I did do a foundation review on their stick foundation maybe 2 months ago. And I hated it, like absolutely hated it. I gave it away right after that video because it just was not for me. So I'm hoping this is different. I have not tried this yet, but I am going to put this on right now for you guys, and then we're going to do a wear test throughout the day. So I'm gonna update you all on how this works. Now, I'm on their website right now on my phone. Let me just read you guys some of the claims of this foundation. This foundation is supposed to be full coverage, offering a lightweight yet buildable coverage in 24 skin true shades. This versatile foundation is designed to suit every skin type and tone. It's oil free yet creamy and comfortable, dries down to a long lasting demi matte finish, won't settle into fine lines or cling to dry patches. Okay. Vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and oil-free is what the foundation claims. So we're going to test all of those claims out today. My days are actually pretty long. It is 7:39 a.m. in the morning right now. So I usually don't get home until around 7 p.m. So we're going to get about 12 hours of wear out of this foundation, and I'm going to update you guys every step of the way. I'm going to use all of my other normal regular products with the foundation, so I know if something doesn't work, then it's the foundation. So I'm just going to go ahead and prime my face with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Matte Primer. Absolutely have been loving this primer lately. So I just zoomed you guys in a little more so you can see, and I don't have a whole lot to cover, but I do have a few like blemishes on my face that need to be covered. So we're going to work through those skin issues, and hopefully this Makeup Revolution foundation can cover it. So I'm in the shade 12.5, and it comes in this really cute glass bottle, and I love like the rose gold packaging. I love that. And then for an applicator, it has this doe foot applicator. So this jumbo doe foot applicator, which I actually really like this. Not the most sanitary of packaging, but I don't share my foundations or anything like that. So all the germs that go back in here are mine. So I'm okay with that. But that is the applicator. So we're gonna go ahead and start applying. Like the doe foot just makes it so much easier to apply. However, I do feel like once you get to the end of the foundation, it's gonna be hard to like scrape out the rest. That's the one thing that I don't like about the doe foot. And how much product do you get in here? Does it say? Huh. It doesn't tell you how much product you get in here. It looks like a good amount, but I know packaging can be deceiving, and it doesn't say if it's 1 fluid ounce like the normal foundation, so I don't know. But I'm going to take my favorite Sonia Kashuk sponge, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend it in. So on first glance, this shade 12.5 looks perfect. And FYI, I did purchase this from the Makeup Revolution website. They don't have it on Ulta yet, at least not at the time that I'm filming this video. So I did purchase it straight from the Makeup Revolution website. And they are a UK based company, but I seem to get my orders pretty quickly because that was the second time I ordered from them. So it's blending out really well. It seems to be drying down pretty fast though. So I would only do one side of my face at the time. If I use this again, because it is drying down quite quickly. Oh, but the coverage is there, honey. Look at my face. My face looks really good. Wow. Like I said, I didn't have much to cover, but whatever I did have is gone. Look at that. I'm gonna put a little bit more to cover up a little more. There's like a little dark spot from this blemish that I popped stupidly. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little more in that area. Oh yeah, that's all I needed. It's gone. The entire dark spot is gone. Look at this. What do you guys think? And as I touch it, the foundation is set. Oh yeah, it's set. Like already. It's already dried down. It just looks so pretty. This is night and day from that stick foundation from them, y'all. Night and day. Thank God. Here I have, they also came out with the super size Conceal and Define full coverage concealer. I had it in the regular size and I thought this was a different formula, so I purchased it, but it's just like a super size, like a Shape Tape sized concealer. So I've been using it though, and I like this. I liked this when I actually did that foundation review with the stick foundation. I like this. And I'll link that video up top so you guys can see my thoughts, my actual thoughts on that foundation, because I hated that foundation. Like, hated. And this is like night and day. And for the concealer, I'm in the shade C11, just for reference, and it gives me a nice little highlight there. Those are so beautiful together. Alright, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and finish up my face, like I said, just using all my regular normal products, and I will come back and show you guys a final look. I am back with the final look. This is what I decided to go for. This is my normal everyday makeup. You guys saw me use the Makeup Revolution concealer. I set that with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. For my contour, I couldn't think of the word, I used the MAC Studio Fix contour palette, and I actually showed you guys a lot of these products in my last 2 haul videos, so if you haven't checked those out, make sure you check those out. But yeah, I contoured with that contour palette. I used the Laura Geller Blush and Brighten in Apricot Berry. This is like a long-standing favorite blush of mine. And for highlighter, y'all already know what it is, the Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter. I love this. And if you guys can hear noise, it's 8 a.m. Someone decided to mow their lawn. And not someone, my next door neighbor decided to mow his lawn while I was doing this video. Thanks. And all on my lips, of course, I'm using the Fenty Stunna Lip Paint in Unveil. So I've done an entire swatch video on these as well, and I love these babies, so check that video out also. But that's the entire look, so that's what I decided to do. All of that makeup, for the most part, is my normal makeup. It's the makeup that I've been using. It's the makeup that I know works on my face. So if something goes wrong today, I'll know that it's the Makeup Revolution foundation. But I have to get off to work because I'm running late as usual, so I will update you guys throughout the day on how this looks. So right now it is currently, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's currently 8:07 a.m. so I got a long day ahead of me. I'll see you guys later. Alright you guys, so I'm on my way to work. I just wanted you to see the foundation in natural light. This is what it looks like right here. I think it looks pretty damn good. I still just put it on. It is 8:13, so it's only like a few minutes after I just updated you guys, but I just wanted you to see it in a different lighting. I'm in my car, obviously, on my way to work, and so I just wanted to update you guys on what it looks like, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous outside. Like, absolutely gorgeous. And FYI, I'm looking all spring and summery. You guys, it is October. It's definitely October, and this is some un-Ohio-like weather. Like, it's over 80 degrees. It was almost 90 degrees yesterday, and it's gonna be 80 degrees, 80 something, like 83 today. But then by the end of the week, it's a Tuesday, by Friday it's gonna be 52 degrees. So that's pretty Ohio, like dropping 40 degrees in 4 days, almost 50 degrees in 4 days. That's pretty Ohio like. But this hot weather here, this is definitely not Ohio like. Ooh, I just realized it's gonna be 50 degrees and the girls have soccer on Saturday. Ugh, I'm gonna be out there freezing my ass off. But it's not what this video is about. So I'll get you guys an update in a few hours. Hey guys, I am doing a quick update for you. It is 1:56 in the afternoon and I just got finished eating lunch. 1:56, just got finished eating lunch, and this is how the foundation looks. It has been on now for a little over 6 hours, and it's holding up actually really well. I am of course oily all up and through here because that's just what my skin does. So I'm gonna blot and I'll be right back. My lipstick is all gone. Alright, so I went ahead and blotted, and minus my lipstick, I think it looks pretty good. The foundation still looks amazing. It's really comfortable and lightweight on the skin, so I am absolutely loving it right now. What's up, y'all? So I'm sitting in traffic here on my way home from work, and I wanted to give you guys another update of this foundation. But it's currently 5:44 in the afternoon, and this is how the foundation looks at the end of the day in natural lighting. Obviously I'm outside in the elements. I have walked a little bit today. People are staring at me. This bus driver's right next to me staring at me. But I have walked a little bit outside today for my lunch, and this is where we are. I think the foundation looks amazing. I only had to blot once, which I'm super happy about. And I am a fan. I think I'm really a fan. I'm gonna, like I said, give you guys one final update when I get home. I'm gonna sit in front of the bright lights. Y'all know the bright lights tell it all. And I'm gonna sit in front of the lights, and I'm going to really get a good look at this foundation. I'm going to try not to blot again, and we'll see if this foundation really stood the test. And honestly, from where I sit right now, I think it did. I think it really stood up to my long ass day. But yeah, I'll check you guys out in a few, and I don't know, y'all, I think we're successful. So we are back to do our final update of this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. I'm back where I started, and I just want to update you guys on my thoughts throughout the day. Now, as you can see right now, it's looking a little scary. It is 7:05 p.m. So we've had this foundation on for just under 12 hours. We're looking a little scary here. It's like really oily up and through right here, but the good thing is, as I'm looking in this mirror, the foundation has not broken up. So there's still foundation. Like normally my foundation breaks up a lot, like on the side of my nose. It has not broken up. I can't see like the little blood vessel that I covered here a little earlier that I popped when I popped that pimple. The foundation still looks good, and I can even still see like my highlighter. I can see some of my blush. So the makeup is still sitting on top of my face, which is nice, but I can't stay like this, you know what I mean? However, we are at the 12-hour mark. I blotted, I think it was 2 something that I showed you guys when I blotted. So we are still 5 hours from that, and the foundation hasn't broken up. So I can definitely say kudos to that. So I'm going to show you guys how it would look if I were to blot and keep going. I'm just using this Beauty Blender Blotterazzi sponge. So this is the face if I only blot. And then I'm going to add some powder. So I'm going to add the same powder that we used a little earlier. This is the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. And I'm going to add that to the face as well, because this is how I would normally touch up. So if you look at the foundation now, this is literally good as new. Like I could go out right now. I could go to happy hour. I could go wherever right now and look like I just put this makeup on. The makeup looks as fresh as it did when I applied it. So I am actually really liking this foundation. I know you guys are probably like, you were just an oily mess a second ago. I know. But that's my skin. Until I find the foundation that can literally block my oils all day, which I doubt any will ever do. I think I've had one that I really liked that seemed to do that, but it didn't look as beautiful on my skin as I would like. So you gotta give and take somewhere, and blotting only one time in a 12-hour day I think works for me. I could have probably stood to have blotted one more time. But I've had foundations where I blotted 5 and 6 times throughout the day just to make sure I looked good because my oils were pouring through. It was also like almost 90 degrees today, and I went walking on my lunch break. So a lot of different factors that this foundation definitely stood up to. And with the fall and winter time coming and my skin getting drier, it's only gonna get better, I feel like. But that is it, you guys. That is it for this foundation review. I hope it was helpful for you. I definitely recommend this foundation. If you thought about trying it, I would totally go ahead and do so, because this foundation actually looks amazing and I'm all for it. If you guys would like to see any other foundation reviews or makeup reviews at all, please let me know down below. Make sure you go ahead and follow me on my social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat, and also my Facebook fan page. And also make sure you're subscribed to this channel. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.